my YouTube channel! So, ayan, this is our first day o second day? Kasi kapag kami first day, no? Kasi kagabi yung first night natin. Pero, for today's video, finally, nandito na kami sa Cambodia and preparing na tayo ngayon para sa ating itinerary. Although, hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta kasi si Kevin po yung nakakaalam. Pero, ayan, tapos na tayo maligo ay nakapag-edit na tayo. So, samahan niyo ako mag-prepare. At yung ibang bayot naman is, nag-aasikaso na din na nag-edit ng kanilang vlog. So, suotin ko lang tong kwintas natin. Ala. Ayan, para it's giving naman yung outfit natin. And, mainit po dito. Mali, dapat pala nag-ano muna ako, nag-sunscreen. So, lalagyan ko muna ng sunscreen yung dito ko. Kasi guys, mainit po. Para protektado din yun nandito ko. So, para pantay-pantay siya, hindi siya mangingitim.
Wala, di mag-ano long sleeve doon.
Oo, mainit kasi dito guys. So, sakto yung mga outfit na pinagdadala ko. So, carry siya. Ayan, lalagyan lang natin yung ano natin para hindi tayo mangitim ng sobra. Kasi kailangan natin ano talaga, ayan o.
Eh, buti na mo kita ako dyan.
Alin, hindi ka kita na?
Nawa ko kasi nagulong.
Bagra ha!
Wala, wait. Okay na yan dyan mga kami.
Ayan ha. So, naglalaruan sila dito ng ganda-gandahan sa gilid ko. And anyway, kahapon pala guys. Wait lang, tapos na lang natin itong pag-ano ko.
Kahapon po, sinalubong kami ng init na.
Ayan, kahapon, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Kailangan masat ko muna itong sunscreen natin para hindi tayo sunog pag lumabas. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin. And, di pa talaga ako nakakapag-ayos. Inuna ko itong pag-vlog. So, konting chikahan muna tayo ng very light. So, kahapon, nag-withdraw po ako ng... Saan yung pera ko? It's giving $100 kasi mas maraming dollar yung tumatanggap na tindahan dito. That's why, $100. And nung nasa Pilipinas ako, hindi ako nag-withdraw kasi sabi ko, hala, ang taas ng palitan. So sabi ko, baka mas mura pag nandito nga. Agay, mas mahal. Kasi nag-withdraw ako ng $100 ang nabawas sa bangko ko is 7,000 tapos may fee pa na $4. So, malaki. Malaki yung bawas sa kanya. And ayun, tumatawag na si Jessica. So, mas maganda talaga na doon na tayo nagpapapalit sa Pinas para mas mataas. Kasi kung sa Pinas pala ako nagpapalit, yung 7,000 ko, nasa $112 na siya. So, sayang din yung $12. Pero anyway, kakatipid natin, mas lumala. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung ating outfit. Ay, hindi. Mag-aayos muna ako. Then, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking outfit. So, 12:30. Sabi mo, 12:30.
5:30 daw.
12:30. Pero tapos naman na. Pwedeng carry na.
Carry na.
Carry na. So, update ko kayo guys. Ito ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami nag-i-stay at kung ano yung view namin dito. So guys, this is our first outfit here in Cambodia. It's given na masusunog ang ating dibdib. Pero, ayan, naka-ano naman, sunscreen naman yung ano natin. Nagtodo-todo kong sunscreen. And every 4 hours, maglalagay tayo. So, protected naman yung ating face, pati ang atin. And, ayan na, panoodin nyo sa vlog ni BNT Jeko ang aming pa-room tour. So, makikita niyo yan sa channel niya habang nag-i-edit siya. And, ito yung view namin dito, guys. Oh. Yan. Yan yung view dito sa hotel namin. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, yung mga gusali dito is pantay-pantay lang. Kasi yun daw yung, nagsisimbolize ng pag-respect nila sa Angkor Wat. So, ang galing talaga. Ang galing ng, nila dito. And, excited na ako. So, isa din sa mga excited na ngayon is ang paghahanap ng case para sa iPad ko kasi hindi siya big. Yes, it's my iPad na. It's my angel! So, for sure, napanood nyo na yung pag-unbox ko. And excited na talaga ako. So, etong vlog na to, dun ko na siya may edit kasi kailangan ko na din mag-edit para magamay natin, diba? Kasi syempre, iba yung sa phone, iba yung sa iPad. So, yung magiging outfit natin and mamaya mag-outfit chat tayo with bakla ng taon. Eh, forever young mom check. Ipakita mo kung sino ka. Eh, blush on lang. Oo. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. TikTok tayo mamaya, ma, ha?
TikTok daw kami.
Yes. Dapat yung buhok mo mamaya, mag-ay-stay yan ng nandyan, ha? Hindi yan, mamaya, gulo-gulo na.
Lagyan natin BB oil.
Baby oil. Oh, outfit check ang Mama Vicky. Outfit check.
Kaya na.
Gusot mayaman. Isang sayo muna dyan ng forever. I wanna be.
Hindi nilalaro ka.
Oh, hindi. Outfit check yan ni Mama Vicky. Oh, terno-terno siya ko. Comfortable. Naka-shoes. Ganda. Isa pa to, maganda. Ganda.
Ang tagal-tagal lang yung pa-straighten yung buhok na yan.
Ilang oras kaya yan itatagal?
Bibigyan ko siya ng 5 hours.
5 hours?
Matagal yan
Pagkukumpare-
Pinulido ko yan eh.
Pulido. So guys, nakain kami sa parang karinderya sa Pilipinas. And mura din yung food nila dito. Like yung meal nila, nasa $1.5 lang. So parang sa peso, nasa mga 90 or 70 pesos. So may in-order ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag kasi hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Pero para siyang pork barbecue. Ganon. And ang sarap nung sauce nila dito, parang nor. And may iba-iba kaming food. May fish.
Kinuha mo na ng turay ko.
Hindi ba yung ganito?
Di ka guys? Akin na.
Ganun ito.
Share na lang tayo lang. Pero, so ayan.
Wala sila tayo.
Ayan ba ito? Ayan. Ayan yan. So kakain muna kami guys.
Na, kalma lang na. Hindi ko na natin
Tikman ko nga lang.
para kami yung lukalisa na nilalagay sa
Bawat.
pasado.
I think it's luya.
Ha? Chorizo.
Hindi.
Chorizo
Kamote. Kamote. So yung kay Mama Vicky kasi parang pork adobo with egg. Patatas ma. Baka kamote.
Sweet potato ang tawag.
Sweet potato. So, kakain muna kami. So guys, ayan, tapos na kami kumain for today's video and nasiyahan naman kami dito sa food na parang karinderya. So, kailangan mo lang din talaga mag-convert dito kasi dalawa nga yung currency nila. Isang real tapos isang USD. So, kami more on USD yung ginagamit namin. Ano ito siya, ma?
Dami mo na.
So, ang tubig nila dito, tea, yung olong tea, no? Tawag.
Olongga po.
Olongapo City.
Kabaret.
$1? 1.5 liters? Sa Singapore, yung Nature Spring sa ring tag $10 or dollars na. So, alam na namin yung itinerary. So, sinabi na ngayon ni CEO, walang may-ari.
Wala, ito nga, may extra,
Hindi, natunaw lang yung yelo.
Tunaw nilo.
So, alam na namin yung itinerary namin. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Kompong Pluk Tour. 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 Kimpampara. Plak to, ma-plak.
White yan.
Pangit ang pronunciation ng plok.
Pluk. Pluk. So, ayan guys. So, according to Kevin, ang isang packs neto is $24. Ano na siya? Half-day tour. So, meron silang sunrise na tour and kami na sa parang hapon na tour. So, pupunta kami ng Kampong Plak Village and 2 p.m. yung pick up namin dito sa Sok Hotel and Coffee. So, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging eksena at kung ano bang meron doon. So, i-update namin kayo kasi hintay na lang namin yung service kasi tapos na kami kumain.
Yeah. And also, it's amateur guys. So, right now it's our tour. So, we had 8 people for the visit Kampong Pluk Village in Pinterest Sablek. So, mostly it's our tour. So, we arrive in the central city around 7 or 7:30 p.m. You don't receive the fly or the night bus. It's okay. 7:30 or 7 o'clock p.m. we arrive in the central city. And right now also we headed home for 1 hour. We arrive at Kampong Pluk Village. We go from here to over there, so 45 kilometers. And also our tour we had a 4 itinerary. The first when we arrive in the checkpoint, so we drop off 15 minutes for the bathroom because normally on the boat no had a toilet. And after we stop at the checkpoint 15 minutes, we we are right in the boat station. So we changed our van to the boat for visit the river of Mesa Lake. Before we arrive in the lake, we must cross the river first. Especially you will see the house the people the building is very higher from the waters, like 5 or 6 meters. And also at the house they are building by wood. And the wood of Cambodia so they cutting from the mangrove forest, because the mangrove forest of Cambodia and Tonle Sap Lake is very special wood. 200 years with the waters, not broken. Yes. And after we visit the river of Tonle Sap Lake, we are right in the village. It means special place. I normally original the name Kampong Plok village. Why the tourists around the world they calling over there floating village, floating school, and also floating market. Yeah. And right now it's Cambodia, so we beginning in the rainy season. So we had a time also for walking in the village around 40 or 45 minutes. You can see about situation the people they living over there, how they can living. Because in the village Kampong Plok, so September, October, and November, the water flowing in the village 3 meter or 4 meter. How they can living. And also in the house, the building all by wood. Yes. And after we visit in the village 40 or 45 minutes, so we arrive at the mangrove forest, one more program. And the mangrove forest, so our tour will not include it. So you can extra, you can buy a ticket, $6 for one person. And one boat, minimum only 2 people. It means $6 each. So we had a time like 30 or 35 minutes for a rowing boat. Not the machine. Rowing boat, we go there inside the mangrove forest. Because in the tourists around the world, they visit Tonle Sap Lake, they always want to see the mangrove forest. But right now we have the waters. And mostly, even the dry season also, the tourists they always see, I want to see mangrove forest, but dry season cannot do. But right now the water up, we can enjoy with the small boat. Yeah, 30 or 35 minutes. And after we visit for the mangrove forest, so we had a time 35 minutes also for the floating restaurant. We had to visit crocodile farm, and also visit like the python. Yeah, 30 or 35 minutes. And after, so we go outside in the lake, 1,000 kilometers square for visit the sunset on the boat.
Okay.
We not visit the sunset in the restaurant. We visit on sunset on the boat. So mostly if the sun is not clouds, if the weather is good, not raining, very nice for the sunset. Yeah. So we not sure right now because Cambodia now we beginning the rainy season. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so when we arrive in Thai Point, we will tell you more then about the Tonle Sap Lake.
Okay.
And also the people over there, they speak Khmer language. You know Khmer? Khmer, you know Tom Rider? Yeah, the Europe around the world. When I asked the Khmer, they didn't know.
Ano ba? Ilang feet? 12 feet. Oh.
Kaya ko mag-swimming.
Ka nga muna. Pakita mo naman sa vlog ko yung A mo. Shish. Shish.
Cheese pa na cheese. Cheese noodles. Ano ka lang.
Upo ka na kasi.
Ay, nagkukunat.
Akala wala life jacket. Kaya pala to.
Kami ng ano.
Kumplong-plok.
1 meter.
1 meter.
It's only 1 meter. 1 meter. Mahaba
Paano
yun.
tayo?
Hindi feet ha. Meter to ha.
But the high season 5 meter.
5 meter.
Possible here.
Now more than 5 meter.
Ah.
Nasa kabaklaan. Oh, say hi.
Hi! Lapot. Ayan na.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Village. The people here, so they living like 900 family and 2,500 people. And also 100% they are living to the fishing. Yeah, no other job. And also in the months after for the fishing, they have a driver of the boat. And the people around in Cambodia right now, 17 million people. So 100% we are pray for the Buddhist religion. Why the people here, they are pray for the Buddhist and also for the Hindu. Because the Hindu and the Buddhist is very separate. It's not the same. You can look in the pagoda, it's the temple. The pagoda, they also the building from 1882 for Buddhists. For example, when some people in the village here dies, they burn the body with the firewood in the pagoda. Yes. And here also 1221, when some people die, they're not burning the body, but they flowing the body in the rivers and other lake for the Hindu religion. Yes. And the people here also, why they call it here so the floating village? Because in the village for September, October and November, the water's coming so 3 meters. Because from here to the lake 1 kilometer. Easy the flooding. When the water coming up, shooting of the water flooding in the village. All the people they are living here, so the toilet here, swimming here, and fishing here. Everything so made together. You can look for the right side and the left side in the primary school and secondary school. When the water is coming up, all the children they come into school by small boat. They have the family boat. You can look in the village over there for the black color and the left side in the flag. It means the family boat. Yes. And here also why they call it here so the floating market. If here in the house, you sell something like that. When the water's up, they move everything on the boat. They sell everything in the village. But the high season, the water's up, all the tourists, we cannot come with the boat. We stand over there in the Pagoda Island for look everyone in the village here. All the boat and the tourists, we cannot come. Just family boat. Thailand, Laos, and also the Vietnam. And mostly, so the rainy season like September, October is November. The water here so high like 15 meter deep. And as a dry season, the water some place 4 or 5 meter. But right now, is the water's not too up. Next month, more than, and also the water is very clean. And mostly the people in the village, so they are coming here for the fishing. And also so far from here, you see the tower over there. See some tower? It's so far? Yes, it means the border. Siem Reap border and the Battambang, Siem Reap border and Phnom Penh capital. And also the border of the Vietnam. From here to the Mekong River, so 20 hours by boat. And mostly here, so 75% that catfish, not dolphin. And here also is we don't have the crocodile. We see the crocodile from in the restaurant. The crocodile from where? You can look the mountain over there. And the mountain over there, so 27 kilometers from the city. And over there, so the big crocodile farm. In the owner in the restaurant, so they buy the baby crocodile from there. They put inside the cage. Yeah, in the cage. So when the crocodile grow up 5 or 6 years, and the owner in the restaurant, they cut the crocodile meat for support some tourists. Because the Saudi sometimes they eat the crocodile meat. You never try?
We try.
Like chicken. Yes. And mostly here also you can look over there. You see the black here around. Oh, come on, little bit. Let me give you. Around here. And they are for the shrimp. You see that black here?
Yeah.
And lines 20 kilometers for the shrimp. Yes. And here also right now, so why we not recommend the tourists? They're not swimming because the water is too hot and also not deep. And also everywhere right now is a lot of fishing there. But the high season in the waters is
tapos na yung tour namin for today's video. And tulad nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, bibili tayo ng case ng ating iPad para komportable na tayo sa ating paghahawak.
Yes! So, ayan, bibilan niya na ng damit si Angel.
Yes. So,
Ay, bibili na kayo ng ano?
oo.
Hi guys!
Go, go, go.
So guys, hindi na muna ako makakasama for today's video
Mag-upload
ha.
siya.
Babawi ako sa inyo mamaya ha. Ako mag-unbox ng iPad ano mo.
Ay.
Na-unbox na.
Hindi yung case mo ako mag-unbox.
Ay, isusukat doon
Hindi
ha.
ako mag-unbox. Dala mo?
Diyan, mag-upload ako, dala ko.
Ayan,
Dala ko.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Sama ka? Mag-upload.
Mag-upload muna siya.
Sama ka, Mama B.
Sama ka, Mama Vicky. Sama kay Jeko.
Doon muna sa room.
O, doon muna ikaw kay Jeko. TikTok ka muna doon na. Forever young.
Ayaw niya sa lamang isa. Ayaw niya sa lamang
Hindi sa room namin.
Pag nagkano ka naman, multo yung tatay.
Sige na, Jack. Bye-bye. So, guys, dito ingat-ingat lang sa pagtawid kasi walang pedestrian lane.
Yes,
So, ere-eretso lang. So, sa malapit sa hotel namin is isang straight na parang, ano man tawag dito? Yung parang bilihan ng mga cellphone. So, ayan. Thank you, Kevin, sa pagiging camera naman namin for today's video. And, ayan. So, para hindi lang talaga mukha yung makita natin.
para mas maganda ang ating vlog.
Yes! Para makita nyo din yung background namin na ito yung street na tinutuluyan namin dito sa Cambodia. So,
Ang perfect ng hotel namin kasi paglabas mo, isang street na siya na maraming bilihan ng mga pagkain, mga
Oo.
gadgets, damit,
at saka,
kahit anong oras.
oo. Uy, sabihin ko na din kasi i-upload mo na. Panoodin niyo yung vlog ni BNT Jessica kasi may pinuntahan kaming store na hindi ka masasagasaan. Kevin namin na lang yan. Dito, may pinuntahan kaming store. Ang mura ng mga damit. Diba? Mga kayo, baka magandaan ka. So, abangan niyo yan sa vlog ni BNT Jessica kasi si Mama Vicky, Mama Vicky decide what to wear.
Kung ano yung susuotin namin.
Oo,
English pa. True.
Bukas!
Ayan, ano masasabi mo naman sa ano natin, tour natin ngayon?
Oo.
Turista.
Sa tour natin, syempre, hindi pa ako nakaano ng floating,
Floating market.
First time yan.
First time na yan.
At saka,
Ba't nalobat na ni? Nalobat?
Nakita po anak. Ahas ba yun? Snake, tsaka crocodile.
Ayan na tayo. Sa Jugjug Cave.
Ayan na,
Wait lang, tawid muna tayo.
Tayo sa Jugjug Cave.
So, andito kami sa Jugjug Cave. So, sana marami siyang casing dito, pero sana. Do you have case of iPad 10? iPad?
Yes.
iPad.
Oh, yes. Wow.
Kasi guys,
Are you from Philippines?
yes. Yeah. So, guys, nakabalot lang ng si Angel. Ayun towel, para hindi siya magasgasan. Nakabalot lang po siya ng towel.
Sa hotel pa yan.
Oo, sa hotel. So,
Ay, ang ganda rin.
may keyboard na siya, babe. Do you have case? Only case?
Only case?
Yeah.
Case. Ano bang
Kasi-
gusto mong case? Yung may parang sinasara.
O, basta hard case siya. And also, do you have tempered glass?
Gen 10.
Oh, no have.
Oh.
Case?
I have only case. I don't
Case?
have. Yes.
Tempered. Only.
Right?
Case. Only case. Case.
Kiss.
Case.
Cover.
Cover. You don't have cover for this iPad.
No. You just have like case like
And one.
lang.
Gusto ko kasi sa Mac bumili ng keyboard.
Hindi ba yun?
Ayan.
That's the case. How much for that?
Kasi hindi ata siya. Hindi.
What number your iPad?
10.
10?
No. Gen 10.
Oo, Gen 10.
Try mo lang.
Ito iPad 10. But it's 10.9 inch.
Oh, you try, you fit.
10.9. 10.9 ito nakita ko sa box. Ay! Diyos ko! Hindi mo
Sayang.
ilalaglag.
Hindi may ilalaga for today's. You have case, red, white, ang ganda. Thank you. Feel ko lalaroan ni Gab.
Labubo.
Abo, green.
Maganda siya po.
How much for
This one's $13.
$10?
Yes, $13.
13?
10?
13.
13.
No discount? Best price. Best price.
I know, it's not... Hindi siya, babe. Hindi siya compatible, why?
Ano na?
Too much big? No.
Hindi siya kasha.
No, not.
Kasha.
Same. We have
Wait, bak.
Para siyang guma ba?
Goma talaga yan, ma. Parang
Same yan?
silicone kasi. By silicone.
Just careful.
conscious na.
O baka daw madulas.
No, it's not fit.
No.
10.9?
Yeah, 10.9 each. It's not fit.
Can I see that plastic?
Oh, mandalak.
Try 11.
You guy for 10.9 inch.
Can I
So how
see this?
inch with this one?
No.
Wala siyang description.
Hindi, ayun o 10.9 RT. Ayun.
Ayan.
Hindi yun lang yung matapos.
Hindi siya kasya na.
Bakit hindi siya kasha?
Baka pinipilit lang talaga siya.
Hindi siya
11 na to.
It's not fit because hindi na siya ano.
Siya yung fit. Ayun o 10.9.
Cellphone mo muna sa'yo.
So guys, nahirapan kami makipag-communicate kasi iba rin yung language nila and hindi lahat dito nakakaintindi ng English. We try our best para magkaroon kami ng communication.
Mama Vicky daw, translate.
What inch is that? Is that 10.9?
10.2.
Ali, love mo wait. This is 11. But
It's for... It's for 11.
Yes.
And this is for 10.
so we
This is
try.
on
So ayan lahat kinukuha na po ni Kuya yung mga case. Tsaka pinagtutulungan na nila. Pero hindi. Bakit
hindi siya fit to. Tingnan nyo, makikita nyo hindi talaga siya fit. Tingnan nyo.
Thanks.
Hindi siya stretchable.
Hindi siya na ano.
Oh, yun. I think it's
It's not stretchable. You don't have the exact unit.
the bigger one.
The bigger one, yeah.
Bakit ganun?
Parang ganun, pero nakalagay siya 10.9 inches. Pero hindi mo ipipilit baka magasgasan yung gilid.
Mura na mga case nila, oh.
10 na lang ba?
Mura na mga case, $7.
Oo, mura nga yung case nila.
Nagka-case mo.
O, tignan mo, iPhone 11, sinilas. So guys, i-update namin kayo kasi nahihirapan kami maghanap ng case. Tignan natin kung makakabili pa tayo ng case dito.
Hindi, magsalita.
Hindi. So guys, kakain na po kami ngayon ng aming dinner. So kung gusto niyo mapanood sa channel ni BNT Jaico, i-watch niyo na doon lahat ng full details. And ako naman, huwag i-skip yung ads. So thank you kay Jaico kasi binigyan niya tayo ng mangga. Kasi dapat yung order kong food is katulad sa kanya. Pero hipon. Pero binago ko. Pero masarap naman yung pagkain na order ko. So ito yung mere fried rice dito sa Cambodia restaurant. So, mura lang din yung mga food dito. Pag may $3 ka, mabubuhay ka na dito. Basta, hindi ka talaga maselan sa food. So, itong pagkain ko ay $3 siya, guys. $3. Siguro na sa mga 150 siya sa ano natin. Basta, iwas na lang kayo conversion para hindi kayo mamahalan. Pero kasi, pag ganito, mura na talaga siya. Kasi ito yung pinaka murang restaurant na kainan namin. So, kain muna kami and enjoy muna namin yung food and balikan ko kayo mamaya pag nakauwi na kami sa hotel. ayan mga Bex, nakauwi na kami dito and nakita niyo na din naman tapos na kami mag-dinner. Pero sad to say, hindi po ako nakahanap ng case para po sa iPad ko na si Angel. Kasi hindi po talaga siya nag-fit and hindi po ako pwedeng magkamali kasi ang nakalagay po talaga sa box niya is 10.9 inches. And once na umu-order ka sa online ng iPad, ganun din size po yung lumalabas. Pero hindi namin maintindihan kung bakit hindi siya nag-fit kanina. So parang ginawa na namin lahat. Hindi talaga. Kanina medyo nag-worry ako. Kaya hindi talaga namin pinipilit na magdikit. Kasi hindi talaga siya swak. Kasi nakikita namin yung sa may dito. Hindi na siya hindi na siya tama dun sa case. So, wala, hindi talaga kami nakabili. And, di ba sabi ko nga, isa sa mga gagawin namin ngayon is yung pagbili ng case. And, balik naman tayo sa, pag-usapan naman natin yung pagtutour namin kanina sa Komplong-Plok Village. So, happy ako kasi nagkaroon tayo ng idea sa mga, yung bagong, anong tawag dito? Bagong, balong ulit tawag doon pag may iba kang yung sa Cambodia kanina, anong tawag sa kanila? Bagong culture. Yon. So, may bago tayong culture na nalaman. And happy din ako kasi syempre, hindi lang tayo puro building yung nakita namin. So, marami pa rin kaming nakitang, alam mo, especially yung, nila, yung pagre-respect nila sa may Angkor Wats na gano'n lang kataas yung mga building nila. And dun sa Komplong-Plok Village, so, marami kaming natutunan doon, marami kaming nalaman. So, napanood nyo naman yun sa vlog. And kung gusto nyo ng buong detalye, kasi clips lang din yung iba sa amin, merong vlog si BNT Jessica, si Jeko, tsaka si Balong, pati ako. So, kasi yun, yung vlog namin today, yun talaga yung itinerary namin for today's video. Pero, alam mo yun, masaya namin ngayon. So, sa lahat nagtatanong, $24 po yun per person. And, na yun, hatid sundo sa hotel mo, papunta doon, pati pabalik. And, masaya namin. At yung mga food dito, totoong mga mura talaga yung bilihin dito. And, dalawa talaga yung currency na ginagamit nila. And now, yung pinapalitan kong 100 USD is hindi pa rin siya napapalitan. Hindi nila masuklian. So, ang gagawin ko, yung USD yon is tatabi ko na lang, mag-withdraw na lang tayo ulit or baka pumunta ako sa ibang store like mga gasoline store and grocery store para mapalitan yung ating dollar. So, yun lang naman mga Bex, super na-enjoy namin and sana na-enjoy nyo din yung pagtutour namin dito sa nakakabulo siya Komplong-Plok Village. So, medyo scary lang din dun kasi merong crocodile pero mismo naman daw sa lake is wala naman talaga. And super enjoy talaga. So, abangan niyo pa yung next itinerary namin and next vlog namin dito sa Cambodia. Kaya naman, hindi ko na tinatapos ang ating video. Don't forget to like and share this video. And mag-subscribe na kayo sa aking channel, Bebang Ricamanta, sa channel ni Balong, ni Jeko, ni Jessica. And it's time for take a rest na, bed rest na, and ako ay maglilinis muna ng katawan, mag-i-skincare, magpapalit ng damit, dahil buong araw natin to suot. So, magkita-kita tayo. Nagbablog ako, nag-ano si Balong. Naka-live kasi si Balong, guys. Bastos naman kung papatigilin natin yung sa live, diba? So, naka-noise reduction na lang ako, and i-edit ko pa rin to. So, see you in my next video, guys. Bye!